Hey lovelies, it's Hungwana Boss Collective, and today we're going to be talking about how to brand your Twitch channel. So we're going to look at the back end of things on my Twitch channel. We're going to look at a lot of fun, cozy things that I do specifically to brand my channel and talk about how other people brand their channels as well. So I'm on Twitch right now, and so one of the things I suggest is in the corner here to click on your icon. So you'll have the logo icon right here. If you haven't made a logo, that's something you should either get made or design or get someone to design for you. And then go to, just push this down a little bit. You'll see the logo here. Go to Creator Dashboard. So in the Creator Dashboard, you should be able to see everything here. You should be able to see that I almost have 50 followers. I haven't really been streaming much. I've been working on the path to affiliate, but like I said, I haven't streamed in a while here. So let's just focus on what we're doing. So basically, go to your home channel. So go to channel. So as you guys can see, I have my banner here. It says Hungwana Blossom. It has I made these blossoms on it. And then I have the channels that I support down below here. And then when you go to About, this is where it's really important. You want to make sure that these are branded accordingly. So pink and mint green are my two kind of colors. So there's that. I'll teach you guys later on how to add these lines and how to add clickable links to your Twitch. But yeah, you can basically see how I added all these, and it's the same colors. So coloring is really important. And let's just go back into the back end, which is Creator Dashboard once again. And you go to alerts. So depending on whether you're using, so if you go to streaming tools here, depending on whether you're using Streamlabs, Stream Elements, OBS, Lightstream, whatever you're using, you're going to want to make sure that your overlays and your panels and all of that is cohesively designed so it all looks like it belongs together. Just like if you're creating a business, streaming is technically a business. You have to pay taxes. So it was just a hobby and you're not making any money off of it. It will eventually turn into something where you do need to brand. And I know a lot of creators don't start with branding, but later on they end up having to rebrand. So for the sake of this, let's do it right and let's brand from the beginning. So if you want to, you can go to achievements here and you'll see that I've completed a ton. So completing these achievements is pretty much just for vanity. You get badges, but it's just mostly for vanity. Apparently, you now get an award upon completion of this. So that's kind of cool. Yeah, I'm on the build a community stage. So make sure I'm not showing you guys anything that. So we go to stream here. So none of this has to do with. So yeah, you'll see up here that brand. So you'll see that you'll want to upload your logo. You'll see that you'll want to choose your colors for the light and dark mode. You'll see that you'll want to add a custom banner. and then save all of that. Yeah, so all of that. Make sure you add your social links here. Make sure that you're checking regularly what drops are available, because if you are a person who likes to play Steel Hunters, for example, well, from May 2nd to May 29th, there is a reward, credit boosters, and rose fragments. So, yeah, just making sure, like, if you like Diablo, that you are playing those games during the times where people will watch you a lot, because people do like to get drops, and it'll help your ability to get partnered quicker when you are doing games that are having those drops and campaigns. So let's go to rewards. No rewards right now. Like I said, with your streaming tools, you can make sure that your overlays and your badges and everything is like a cohesive brand with you. So I'm going to go to I'm going to go back to channel, and I'm going to go to Jubiverse because she's offline at the moment. So Jubiverse is currently offline, but you can see purple. You can see purple really stands out on her channel, and you can see that she has purple here. Her overlays, her background, everything just is purple. So she may not have a logo here, but you can tell right away. Her main is Palia, and so yeah. So if I go to her, you can see her individual things. They're all specifically made for her branding. So see if I can. She even has her nails painted purple. So yeah, everything is really branded. So I don't have anyone online who specifically I could show. Maybe Athena. So let's see. Let's go. Some people don't really care about this. Like, they don't really care about the branded aspects of things. Yeah, some people just don't care. It depends on the type of stream that you're playing as well. My one friend, Dirty, he likes to have this cute little dragon. And if you go here, you can actually get dragon pets. Oh, my face is covering it. I'll move my face. So you can see the dragon pet right here. So this, when you get to 500, you can breed the dragon, and it does, like, it becomes different things. So Dragon Pets is a specialty extension. It's really cute. It brings me into his streams a lot. And then he's got Pokemon and different things like that. So that is kind of his specific, branding. He's also a faceless creator. So, yeah. Right now, let's go to Pawnee for a second. So let's see. She also, purple is kind of her theme color. Okay, I was saying. So yeah, that's, go back to my channel, create a dashboard. Yeah, so you can basically choose your color, choose your font. Just make sure that you have some sort of, it tells you kind of what you need to do. So branding is super important. For instance, I'm gonna go to Etsy right now, and I'm going to show you my account. Okay, so this is my Hungwana Designs Etsy account. I'm not gonna be having this. I'm not sure what I'm doing with it quite yet, but I wanted to show you what I mean by branding. So you can see that this is all pink, gold, pinky gold. You can see my logo is pink. You can see even my avatar is pink. And then you see, the outline of the product pages are pink. So you can see that's how I kind of brand everything, so that if one of these products was on one page and one of these products was on another, they would know it's mine because of the way that it's branded. So you basically want people to recognize you for your branding. I started this. This is like some streaming graphics that I've made, hand drawn. And so I'm actually probably going to switch to Ko-Fi because it's 100% free. So Etsy does take a lot of different. It takes off a lot of different things. So, anyways, just wanted to show you. That. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. This was a quick video because it's pretty easy to talk about, and I hope that it helped you be able to know how to brand your Twitch better. And I really love to go to Canva, and Canva is my favorite tool because if you go to create and you type in Twitch, you can create your background, banner, emote, logo, overlay, panel, screen, pretty much everything. It has it already for the right sizes and helps you that way. So yeah, I've got a lot of different projects on the go there. I don't want to take away some of the things that I'm up to, but yeah, I've already pre-made the thumbnails to these videos. Yeah, how to brand the back end of your Twitch. That's this one here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you learned how to brand your Twitch channel.